chiguna turangana tuitabo chigo wole silesi na korugulio wa mimina wole. I want to thank you all for the very warm welcome that you've accorded me and members of my entourage, the ministers and permanent secretaries and the heads, the official heads of government departments that are accompanying me on the Western tour this week. I want to thank you all for the very warm welcome. I know that Tavua District School, this visit was not planned by the commissioner. It was not in the itinerary, and it was a late edition. So I thought we'd come in and have a look at the school, but I did not know that there would be so many people waiting for us here. Not only the students, but parents and families. So I want to thank you all for being here in numbers to meet with us and maybe share some stories. But we've been going around the Western Division in this instant in the last 2 weeks, and I've been told that I have a couple of more projects that we'll be doing in after Parliament next week, the week after next. So you'll probably see me around the Western Division again after that. There are a few more projects to be seen to. But I and the officials, government officials, are going around the country looking at the projects that government has had a hand in having them commissioned. But also in doing so, there's always a good opportunity to talk with the people at large. So I see a big number of people here. So after we disperse, maybe I can sit with the community and share a few stories before we continue on our way. We have to be in Balata at 5 o'clock. The cane farming community is waiting for me in Balata at 5 o'clock this afternoon before we head back to Lotoka. But now is your time for Tavua Secondary School and of course Tavua Primary School. Manda may chigo wale lebu wabe na wale muni bulum na na ngone Tavua rere bina na kemuni rere na kemuni kwa kemuni na kalasin 2 sa ningun sudu chigo se sembara me muni sudu teachers, class 1 teachers salam na sudu sa ningun sudu chigo na kalasin 2 ni sing tulu chigo mai biao. Oh, na boleh. Kami nak kelas 2, ni mun sudu ngana bagsau je, bango hasang. Do ira ngana kelas 2. But it's wonderful to see excited face amongst students, because it's something that my number one priority is of course the investment in education throughout Tavua. You will know that, sir. My number one priority is investment in education, especially our students, because you will be our leaders tomorrow. Tomorrow, you will be Prime Minister, you'll be pilots, you'll be lawyers, you'll be carpenters, you'll be policemen and policewomen and soldiers and nurses and doctors. So that is why we're putting a lot of importance in your upbringing and your training, in your education. So we expect you, the government and the teachers and the parents, of course, expect you to work hard, doubly hard now. The school is free, that we've taken the burden of the school fees from the parents to make it easy for everyone, so that everyone can attend school. There's no excuse, should be no excuse now that we've removed the school fees and government has taken that burden on. But I thank you again for coming in numbers. If there's anything that you will want to bring up, I have government officials here with me, the ministers and the education officials. They are also here in numbers with me. We can assist you in something that you want us to talk about. Thank you very much.